Okay, hi everyone. Now we're going to talk about a presentation that was really interesting for us and something that you can take away from that. Now, when we talk about presentations, what's the first presentation, what's the most interesting presentation most of us remember? Or when anybody is going to give a talk about presentation, right? Usually the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is Steve Jobs' presentations, and that's the example that we're going to use. Now, how many of you have not seen Steve Jobs' presentations? Not seen. Okay, good. So hopefully there'll be some interesting takeaways from you, for you. Main thing about Steve Jobs' presentation is the way he talks, right? The way his voice modulation is, and that's extremely important when you do a presentation. That's something that we love about his presentations. When you talk, you engage the audience, you capture the audience with the way you talk. You adjust your content in such a way that the audience is able to understand it. You pause at the right times. Something that he uses as a weapon is repetition of words. So when he wants to stress on a point, he keeps repeating it multiple times, right? For example, voice modulation is extremely important. Okay, try to do a good voice modulation whenever you're giving a presentation. Stress on the important aspects of your presentation. Something that I really love about his presentations is the way he, it's called practice what you preach kind of a thing. So whenever he demos a product, he's actually sitting there using his own product. He has an iPod, he sits down with this iPod, he tells the audience this is a device which can hold 10,000 songs, puts on his headphones, sits down and listens to it. This is what he does. So when, in a great presentation, it's very important that you show the audience, engage with the audience, show them that you really believe in what you're selling to them or what you're presenting to them. These are something that's very nice about Steve Jobs' presentations that we like: voice modulation, his engaging with the audience, his demoing of the product itself, using the product as an end user.